This video is sponsored by okjersey.com. They've got all the latest kits and loads of retro classics. So don't spend £70 in the shops when you can grab these high quality shirts for under 15 quid. Click the link in the description below and use the code FRTV for a further 8% off.
Oh! Oh, for sake, Vicario, man, for sake! These man scored 0 goals, 0 wins, 0 everything, and we had to be the ones. It had to be us, blood. It had to be us. It's always us. It's always us. It's always Tottenham, blood. Why? It's always us. We can't help ourselves. We can't help it. He just pushed it, you idiot. Hold it. Hold it. You didn't have to push. You're an idiot, Vicario. Why did he push it? Look how soft that was. Hold it. Oh, my God. Oh, no, I've had it with him now. I've had it, bro. Oh, get Kinski on, bruv. Just get Kinski on, bruv. Just get Kinski on, bruv. I'm tired of him now, bro. Running the Brighton game, and now this one. Oh, my God, Vicario, bruv.
I don't believe what I've just seen. I don't believe what I have just seen. That is the most jammiest goal you will see all season. And he's onside. Honestly, I don't believe what I've just seen. The ball goes in from a corner. It hits Paulinho. It gets flicked on. Vicario parries it into Paulinho, and then they get a little toe poke from a yard out. How jammy can you get, man? That is man. Honestly.
Vicario! What the? How did that go in? Oh my God. Dr. Tottenham is back, bro. Dr. Tottenham is freaking back. Bro! How the hell did it even go in? What the hell? Bro, how did that go in? What? Is he offside? What? Bro, what? Haram ball to the freaking final tee, bro. Holy smokes, bro. 2-1, or sorry, 1-0.
저희도 빵꾸 났는데 상당히 많아요. 야! 와!
Corner kick for Wolves, whipped in, headed down, saved by Vicario. Wolves have scored. Tottenham are 1-0 down. Really poor that. The ball bobbled around. The corner came in. Vicario saved it. I want to see that again, but it looked like he punched it into the danger zone and it bobbled around. And Wolves have got a goal. And Tottenham are 1-0 down and have a lot of work to do. Tottenham have a lot of work to do. Let's have a look again.
Pick from that in the forward area, for Richarlison's position, Colomolani or...
Oh no! Oh no!
My
See
Lord.
what I mean? It's coming. It was coming. When you're this going forward, you're always going to leave yourself open like that. And I think Vicario ends up punching off the Spurs player. Oh
my God! What is with Wolves?
Tottenham Hotspur again, crumbling when everyone else drops point and there's an opportunity. We show no bottle, no appetite. And when you're going forward, this is exactly what can happen. Now, anyone that was saying we were playing well when it was 0-0, you're still going to come up with that narrative that we're still playing well?
Ah! Yes! Yes! We needed that, blood! We needed that! Lethal P! Lethal P, blood! Paulinia! You man are still pussy holes, blood. You know, I know. No.
Paulinia, great finish. Why are you taking your shirt off, mate? We're playing Wolves. Pick the ball up and go again. Mate, that is tragic. Paulinia has just taken his shirt off, screamed. No problem with celebrating. But that is tragic, mate. Pick the ball up. Go back to the halfway line. You've just been booked for that.
Yes! Come on, Paulinia! Come on! He's crazy! He's crazy! Come on! Grab the ball! Grab the ball! Grab the ball! Stop! Put your shirt back on! What are you doing? Put your shirt back on! Grab the ball and go! Put your shirt back on! Put your shirt oh my gosh. Bro, grab the ball and go. Put your shirt back on.
Oh, we've equalised. Oh, Paulinia's pulled it out of the bag. Paulinia has pulled it out of the bag and saved Spurs from utter embarrassment. Paulinia, shirt off. He's going to get booked. I don't think he's going to care. And he has absolutely saved us embarrassment. Absolutely saved us embarrassment there.
Paulinia!
Yow! That's his fourth goal of the season.
Kept him on the
Come
pitch, and
on!
he did deliver.
We don't even deserve it. We don't even deserve it. Let's go, Zhao, baby.